Let's kick off with the first powerhouse, Facebook. With billions of active users, it's an incredible source of free traffic. But the best part is you can tap into this gold mine without spending a dime. It costs no money. And here is how I'm going to show you. As you see over here, this is my Facebook page. One of the keys to success here is the law of attraction marketing. Join relevant groups and pages related to your niche and engage with other members. Share value content, answer questions, and establish yourself as an authority. That's very important. Show people that you are already there where they want to go to. Also, don't forget to mention your affiliate offer where it adds value. So if there is a possibility to share your link for your offer, share it, but don't do an overkill with it. Remember, the goal is to provide value first. Build relationships by doing this. You are attracting interesting visitors who are more likely to check out your affiliate offers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're finding this information valuable. So under this movie, you see my link for my affiliate offer. Click on the link and join my affiliate offer. So I'm going to show you also my Facebook group. This is also important. So watch with me. Here is my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Wizard Group. You can join this group. There's also a link under this movie to join my Facebook group. And in this group, I provide value, like I provide sessions how to use ChatGPT for your marketing. Remember, the key to success is providing value, building relationships, and consistency engaging with your audience. So put this strategy into action and watch the flood of target visitors transform to your affiliate offers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for tuning in on my YouTube channel, Jessica Konijn, and watching this movie. See you next time.